Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome to my daily chart analysis video for Banknifty. Banknifty today went up and closed at around 414 points high, which is around 1% higher than the previous close. It is a very nice bull run as we are seeing here in Banknifty, though this is just a third day of Banknifty going up. Unlike Nifty made Nifty closed every day in green from last 7 days. So Bank Nifty here, it's just the third day where it is closing in green, but the pace of the rise is very fast here. So over the last 3 days, if I check, Bank Nifty has closed 469, 278, and then 400. So around 1,000 to 1,200 point movement in Bank Nifty in just last 3 days. That's an amazing movement, right? So let's just go ahead and check how Bank Nifty may trade for tomorrow. Also, I would just like to take you to the hourly chart before we move to the 15-minute chart. In hourly chart, I have just checked Bank Nifty. It has from 6 September, around middle of 6 September, where it made a bottom of 44,211. It has made a one-way movement. I'll show you how. So Bank Nifty from 44,211, it has just gone straight up, taking support of this trend line. The interesting part here is nowhere Bank Nifty closed below the previous hourly candle. So here Bank Nifty closed green candles, 4 green and 1 red candle. It has not breached the previous low of the previous green candle. So this green candle, the low, this green candle's low, this red candle did not close or gone below that. Similarly, this red candle here, though it closed in red, but it still ended up closing between the range of the previous red candle. And then we saw the upward movement. Here we made another 2 red candles here. None of these red candles closed below the previous red candle or previous green candle's low. So it has continuously rising. Similarly here, red candles. There are 3 red candles then from yesterday and today. But all these red candles closed within the range of the previous candle. So it has not breached the low of the previous green candle or previous red candle, whatever. So this is a very interesting movement. If I just talk about an hourly chart trade, I'm going long on Bank Nifty. So, I mean, you just, it's a simple trade, right? Just buy Bank Nifty call or Bank Nifty futures and then wait for hour, 2 hours till the time it does not close below the low of the previous. So on the closing basis, below the low of the previous candle, you can just stay long on Bank Nifty. That's a simple trade one can suggest, right? So in tomorrow's trade, if I just put in a 15-minute chart here and zoom out a bit, again, as I said, one-way movement. Bank Nifty has gone up and closed up at the high of, it made the high of 45,628 and it closed at around 45,618. Though the adjusting closing after the market close is around at 45,570, but this is actually closing up at the day high, and this is a very, very bullish sentiment. I was talking about it in my weekly chart analysis video that I gave the targets for Bank Nifty. The first target I gave was in my weekly video was 45,550, and it has actually achieved that in the first day of the week, in Monday itself. The second target I have for Bank Nifty is between 45, the next resistance level. So if Bank Nifty opens flat or up, gap up, we can see Bank Nifty going up and rallying around this area, 45. So the next resistance area for Bank Nifty will be 45,775 to 800 levels. Watch out for these levels for Bank Nifty for tomorrow's trade. This is the resistance area for Bank Nifty. If Bank Nifty consolidates here and then makes a move up, then the next target will be 46,000. That is a psychological resistance. It's not a major resistance, just a psychological resistance of 46,000 mark. And then the next level would be for Bank Nifty would be the all-time high of 46,300. We could, if Bank Nifty performs the way it has performed over the last 3 days, I think we can see that levels coming up in next couple of sessions only. So watch out for that. On the downside, as I said, just go on long on Bank Nifty and make the, if you put an hourly chart, make the previous candle as per the hourly chart as the support for that, right? If it breaches that, don't do a panic selling, just wait for that candle to get closed. If it gets closed below the level of the previous candle, then you can take it as a sell indicator, right? Similarly, if you have your charts open for Bank Nifty, you can just draw a trend line here and take that as a support as well. So trend line for Bank Nifty for tomorrow's trade will be like this. Ascending trend line, Bank Nifty has taken a consistent support here, and just draw this trend line. If Bank Nifty closes, any 15-minute candle closes below this trend line, the next one trades below that, then you can go short on Bank Nifty. And if you're shorting it, please be aware you should be taking a very, very small quantity, like 1/10 of the quantity that you normally trade. Otherwise, it's go long and buy on dips market for us. One very interesting thing as well here, on the hourly chart, Bank Nifty has closed, managed to close above all the major simple moving averages or exponential moving averages, and so is the case with the daily chart now. So daily chart now, in the previous session we were just playing around the simple moving average, this red line that I have. This is the 11-day moving average that I've put in here. It managed to open above and go beyond that, and now it has gone past all the major simple moving or exponential moving averages. So again, very bullish sentiments. It's just going long on Bank Nifty. So all the best, guys. Please trade carefully, and for me, the one suggestion that I can give you is ensure that you manage the risk well, right? The trading is all about managing the strategy as well as the risk management. So you should know when you're trading, you should know how much quantity you should take based on the market scenarios. Here in this case, you can just go ahead and trade well with your full 100% quantity, but that 100% quantity does not mean the entire fund that you have in your trading account. That 100% quantity means that you should use 20% of your funds, and then 1/5 of the funds that you have. That is the extreme case, right? That is why you can manage the risk management well. All right, friends, good luck. Thank you for watching this video. If you like my video, please hit the like button. If you want to subscribe, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you can get the notifications for my videos. And please leave the comment on my video. Thank you so much.